Every time I hit record, it doesn't do it. Come on, guys. Fireworks, fireworks. Yay! This is the guy on top of the hill at our place. Every year he gets wild with the fireworks. Actually, it's been going on about a half hour, so he's probably at the end. Oh, here comes something. There we go. Woohoo! Happy 4th of July. I want you to hear the echo in the holler. Is that cool or what? Ah! I love fireworks.